welcome to our kitchen once again, my friends. It's Real Nice and Molly here, bringing you another recipe. Today we're going to be doing banana bread. And for this recipe here, we'll be using the ingredients you see there. We're going to be using some flour, sugar, margarine, baking powder, eggs, ripe bananas, and some chopped walnuts. And this banana bread is very delicious, my friends. Try it, give it a try, and you'll see what I'm saying. Ideally, you will want bananas that are like these here, like very ripe, but we only have one of those. But you can also use just ripe bananas. Make sure they're fully ripe, like the two that's sitting there. And that's about it, guys. That's all we're gonna be needing for this banana bread recipe. So let's get started. So to begin with, we're gonna peel our bananas. So first of all, you'll mash your bananas. So we have finished mashing our banana and we'll put this aside. So first you're going to add your margarine into the mixing bowl. And that's the sugar. So we've added some almond essence to our egg, and we're gonna whisk that. So now you're gonna add the eggs, the beaten eggs, to your sugar and margarine mixture. Now it's time for the mashed bananas. So once you've mixed in the bananas there, you're gonna start adding the flour now. As usual, a little bit at a time, and mix that in. So we have just added the last of the flour in there. And now for the baking powder. Some salt. So next we're gonna add the chopped walnuts. And I think that's about everything we have in there now. So you're gonna grease your pan like this here. Some margarine. And then coat that with some flour. So just give everything a quick mix, and now we're gonna pour them into our pan. So this is a 9-inch pan we have. One of those and one of these loaf pans. So that's how much you're gonna get from this recipe. So we've set our oven there. We're gonna be baking this at 350 degrees. So our oven is heated here, guys, and we're gonna go slide these in now. So you want to bake these for about an hour, just over an hour. But you want to check on them in an hour's time. Should be done in. Okay guys, so it's an hour for our cake now. And we are doing the toothpick test there. And this looks done for us here in an hour. And that's our big pan. Yeah, so this looks okay. Toothpick is dry. And that's it. So we're gonna cut one of these babies here and see what it looks like. So here is our smaller pan. And that's looking good. So the reason why you want to use riper bananas is because it's sweeter, right? The fruits, when they get more ripe, they release their natural sugars, which makes them sweeter, and that in this cake tastes so good. So we'll cut into this and see what it looks like. So you can see it's soft. It's still hot, so we're being a bit careful here. So there you go. Delicious banana bread. And that's how you do it, guys. So if you like this recipe, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Please share this video as well. Remember, the ingredients and measurements will be up on our website at realniceguyana.com. And that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.